Hello traders. If you have limited free time but want to remain active in trading, this strategy is for you. By combining just 2 free indicators with the Break and Retest method, you can analyze the market and make decisions quickly. This strategy works not only for Forex, e.g. GBP/USD, but also for other assets like gold, crypto, stocks, and more. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's begin. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. Select the indicator by Kavanaugh's Belgic. Configure the settings. Input tab. Change the OTT period to 8. Set the optimization value to 1.5. Style tab. Customize the colors as per your preference. Click OK to save changes. This indicator helps identify trends and potential entry points. Candlestick above the indicator plus navy color equals bullish trend. Look for buy orders after a retest. Candlestick below the indicator plus red color equals bearish trend. Look for sell orders after a retest. Candlestick within the indicator area equals no trade zone. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type SAR EMA. Select the indicator by Unknown Unicorn. Configure the settings. Input tab. Uncheck Show TEMA. Check Show EMA. Set EMA fast length to 50. Set the line thickness for EMA slow length to 0. Style tab. Change the EMA additional color to red. Click OK to save changes. This indicator identifies the primary trend. EMA 50 above EMA 200 equals bullish trend. EMA 50 below EMA 200 equals bearish trend. Sell order setup. Confirm the trend. Price below the high and low optimized trend tracker equals bearish trend. EMA 50 below EMA 200 equals confirms bearish momentum. Wait for the price to retest the high and low optimized trend tracker area. Confirm the signal. Parabolic SAR appears above the price candlestick. Candlestick is red. Place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the highest OTT line, take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Buy order setup. Confirm the trend. Price above the high and low optimized trend tracker equals bullish trend. EMA 50 above EMA 200 equals confirms bullish momentum. Wait for the price to retest the high and low optimized trend tracker area. Confirm the signal. Parabolic SAR appears below the price candlestick. Candlestick is navy. Place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the lowest OTT line, take profit. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.